Hey guys, so let's talk about analysis of US30 for today. Now, US30 is kind of doing my head in. It's not doing what I wanted to do, but hey, we got this, and let's just have a look and see what I think price possibly could do. So you guys can see, I'm going to again draw this box like for real. Like, can you guys see this? Like, just do you guys see that? Like this is what you it's been bouncing on. Obviously, it broke structure here. You would have thought you would have gone down to the downside, which is what I believed it would do, but no, decided to go back into the box. So clearly it's a double bottom here. So you decided to go right back in and test this area here, which it has tested several times over. I do feel it is going to break, do the sell side liquidity, possibly go back down because from the because I do think we do have liquidity to be grabbed, but at the same time, there's also liquidities at the top. So really today, I think I yeah, I'm gonna have a look at this 2 hours. Let me see what I've drawn here in the 2 hour box. Yeah. Okay. So you guys, you can see this 2 hours, like what I've just drawn earlier. It's basically just ranging within the box. And if it's going to do a nice rejection of this as well, possibly we're going to see price go down to the downside. Okay, so bear with me. I'm just going to remove this. Yeah, so if we see a nice rejection of here, like all these previous areas of interest, now I possibly think price could then just go back down. But having said that, if you can see price is trying to push, there is too much. If you can see, there's too much sell side liquidities here. So price could push up to the top of this, do a sell side liquidity, and then we're going to catch the retracement back down um, because overall it is a high range look. So it's here, it's come down, touch this base, it's come back here, and now it's just teetering, touch this base again, once again. But if you can notice, it touched this as well, rejected it, dropped all the way back down to the base almost. And now I think it's going to make its way up there, get rid of this liquidity point. Um, yeah, and then we just have to see what price does after really. So this is a small area of interest that you guys might want to look at, and then obviously we've got the bigger area of interest, which is also crucial. As of now, I think as of now, I do honestly feel like price could go either direction. I think we just need to wait for candle close to see what price is doing and then look for sells or buys accordingly. So really it could push upwards or it could just decide to come down and do the sell side. Okay. But we do have news later, which is a rate folder for USD at 130. So I'm just gonna wait it out, see what price does, and then go back to my 5 minutes and then catch any possible trades that's going to pan out. I'm just going to on my Phoenix just to see where we are. Yeah, so it's a nice uptrend at the moment. So let me just go up to 2 hours. Yeah, in all, even the higher time frames. Let's see, 4 hours. Yeah, it's a buy on all the time frames. At the moment, guys. So yeah, it's a very strong buy on on the higher time frame. So I am just going to wait it out. I do think price could break out and go higher. Right now, it looks bullish to me. But again, let's just see. See on the 1 hour, it has rejected this 200, and then it has but still broken structure here. So I am going to wait this out to see what it does because this is a rejection and but just based on how bullish it's been. Mm, do you know, honestly, like I've just said, because I think there's two areas of interest within each other, I am just going to wait it out to see what price does to 130 and then see which direction price action takes us. But this is what I think price action is doing. So just be careful of these two areas right to the top here, bottom, and as well as the inside area of interest. Okay. And we'll see you guys back again with the next analysis. But always trade with caution, watch your risk management, and trade with the trend.